Hi, I'm Anta from Anta's Fitness and Self-Defense in Doral, Florida. We've been teaching anti-abduction techniques for 25 years, since 1998. This video will demonstrate how a child can try to defend and survive an abduction, which can also lead to a child sex trafficking, which is a horror that we're going through right now. That's incredible in the entire world. In the video, we will show you some techniques where the weaker child can strike the adult in vital points to possibly escape. And I strongly recommend everybody seeing the movie Sounds of Freedom, which is what motivated me to do this video, even though for 25 years I've been teaching anti-abduction. So what happened here, the abductor picked him up with his hands and covered his mouth. He bit him and kicked at the same time, and when he drops him, he runs off. He picks him up and he headbutts. Well, maybe he was too low, but we made it so we wouldn't hurt the person picking him up. So at the same time that he's headbutting backwards, he's kicking the shins. And when they let him go, he runs off. They picked him up, his hands are loose. He's gonna throw elbows up as he's also kicking the shin just in case he missed. When they drop him again, he runs off. The predator picks him up and his hands are caught, so he starts uninterrupted biting and kneeing until they drop him, and he runs off. It is very important that we teach kids uninterrupted biting. So if he would have gotten him in the face or collarbone, ear, whatever, he caught him in the chest. Uninterrupted biting, and he's going to do it again, is with your canines, he's going to rip like a dog and then just start ripping. That person is going to let go. He's not going to stop ripping. It's not a kid's bite. It's... And he's kneeing also. That guy's gonna let go, maybe even push him back, and then he's gonna go off. So he has him again, and he starts uninterrupted biting, side to side like a dog and kneeing, and they're gonna drop him. This one is from the front. He picks him up to take him, kidnap him. So he claps the ear, sticks his thumbs in the eyes while he's kneeing him. And when they drop him, because anytime you touch someone's eyes, central nervous system collapses. He's gonna drop him, most likely he's gonna drop too. He runs off. Go. So in this one, obviously the adult is stronger. When he pulls them, don't jump yet, he loses balance. And he's gonna take him. So what he's doing is he's jumping with one leg, kicks him in the groin with the other, and he's gotta let go. And if he misses the groin, he's still gonna kick the leg and the shin. Ready? Go.